Students, today we will discuss about topic 3D shapes given on lesson name shapes, page number 6 and 7 in higher order thinking skill section. So students, we have already learned about 1D and 2D shape. Yes, now we are going to study and learn about 3D and 3-dimensional shape. What is 3D shape? A shape which is having 3 dimensions, length, width and height is called 3D shape. 3D shape एक ऐसा shape है जिसमें 3 dimension होते हैं. Yes, length, width and height. Width is also called as breadth. Okay, we have already discussed about it. So here are some examples of 3D shape. Number 1, cube, cuboid and cone. Cube, cuboid and cone, as you can see in a picture. Students, this section is given on page number 6, higher order thinking skill section. It can also improve your analyzing skill. Okay, now students, it is a one example only. Observe the given figure. It looks like a box. Yes, each side of the box is a square in the figure. Here are 3 dimensions given to you because it is a 3D shape. So which are they? Here you have to put your finger like AB is the length and BF is the breadth. We can say width also of the box. Okay, AD is called the height of the box. So this shape has 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height. Understood? Such shapes are called 3-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes or solid shape. So here are some parts of a cube because it is a 3D shape. Okay, now first part is vertices. What are the vertices here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are the 8 vertices of a given cube. We have already studied in 2D shape also. Okay, edges. What are the edges here? In 2D shape we have studied about sides. It is converted into edges in a 3D shape. Okay, now what are the edges here? AB, you have to draw with your finger. Yes, which I am reading. Okay, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A, B to F, F to E, E to A, C to G, G to H, H to D, H to E and G to F are the edges. You have to count also. Okay, now another part is faces. Faces or a face is a square in a cube. Okay, we have seen many squares in a cube like ABCD, the square ABCD, AB, EF, BF, GC, GC, DH, EF, GH and AEHD are 6 faces of a cube. Understood? All these are important parts of a cube. Students, here we are going to learn about some steps to draw a cube. Let us learn how to draw a cube in a few simple steps. Number 1 step is draw a square ABCD. सबसे पहले आपको ABCD नेमिंग स्क्वायर ड्रॉ करना है. नंबर 2 ड्रॉ अनदर स्क्वायर EFGH. एक और स्क्वायर आपको ड्रॉ करना है नेमिंग EFGH. आप उसका नाम देंगे EFGH. कटिंग द स्क्वायर ABCD एज शोन. EFGH जो स्क्वायर है वो ABCD स्क्वायर को कट कर रहा है. येस, एज यू कैन सी इन अ पिक्चर. स्टेप 3 जॉइन D to H, AE, BF and CG. Let's see what are the steps here. First we have to draw a figure like this. First step is draw a square ABCD. Second step is draw another square EFGH which is cutting the square ABCD as shown in a picture. Yes, and number 3 step is very easy. Join D to H, A to E, B to F and C to G. Here your cube is ready. Students, a few other such 3-dimensional shapes are cuboids and cone. Yes, you can see in a picture. Solid shapes with a flat rectangular faces. यस, ऐसे शेप जिसमें क्या है, फ्लैट रेक्टेंगुलर फेसेस है, रेक्टेंगुलर शेप्स है, यस, आर कॉल्ड क्यूबॉइड्स एज यू कैन सी इन अ पिक्चर. एंड यूर क्यूब इज हैविंग अ स्क्वायर फेसेस, उसके पास स्क्वायर फेसेस है, और आपके क्यूबॉइड के पास रेक्टेंगुलर फेसेस है. यस, अ सॉलिड शेप विथ अ सर्कुलर बेस, a vertex and a curved surface is called a cone. Yes, what is cone here? A cone is having a circular base. उसका base कैसा है? Circular, and it is having one peak point. Yes, एक peak point है. It is called as a vertex, and a curved surface is called a cone. All these are 3D shapes. Okay. Thank you, students.